Alright, what's up everyone? Just wanted to give you a quick tour of my new house. We're out here on Yuguangdao. I built this house like 5 minutes ago. It's pretty sick. I got this doormat right here, piece of plastic I found on the beach. Gotta keep my place clean. Got the sunscreen over here, gotta stay safe. The fridge over here, some water, Red Bull, orange juice. My closet. Got my key hanger over here. And my couch. Alright, let's check out the backyard. Alright, we're in the backyard. Got some seaweed out here. Good snack if you ever need some. Got these seats from IKEA. So if anyone wants to come chill, I got space. Alright, I'm gonna take you to my workshop since I got a lot of time now. Alright, we're in my workshop now. I'm working on some art pieces. This one I call Log on the Beach. I got my other one over here. It's called Log on the Beach 2. And then I'm still working on this one. Not sure what I'm gonna call it. I think probably Log on the Beach 3. And then my favorite one over here, it's called Corporations and Corrupt Governments Are Polluting the Earth. So, and I'm selling this one for like 100,000. So if you like it, hit me up. Alright, this is my quick little update. So I'm gonna go chill in the front yard now. See ya.